And I'm Ashley.
And I'm Edie. I'm Matt.
And this is Max,
our dog.
And we are
the
Edvantures.
That's actually right.
Please subscribe to follow our journey.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
Buenos dias. Mucho gusto, mi amigos and amigas. Right. Jinx.
Jinx again.
Anyway.
There we go.
Right.
Longest intro ever.
So yes, we're back by public demand.
Yeah, all our adoring fans have been messaging us.
I know.
Where are you? What are you doing?
Pleased
What are you
awaiting our
up
next
to?
video. Yeah, so we
Hi.
We've been doing a few bits and bobs, haven't we?
Yes. Oh, it sounds like we're taking off.
It does. That's the diesel heater.
It's just kicked in.
Yeah.
And it actually sounds like we're about to take off, if you can hear it.
It does. Sounds like jet engine. On the tick, 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 tick.
Everyone else
tick,
can hear it
tick,
outside because
tick.
it's really loud.
Yeah, it's much louder outside because the exhaust goes straight under the fan, doesn't it? Sounds like someone's got a little moped under there.
Need to put a silencer on it.
I've got a silencer actually, yeah.
Need to put it on it.
Yeah, I know.
Job to do. Job to
Yes.
do. Sorry we have been away for so long. We have lots of things that we've been doing.
Yeah. Not on the van, unfortunately.
Yeah, not as much on the van. Ash had some big jobs on.
Yeah, I've been doing some big painting and decorating jobs, so that took a lot of time out. And also been ill, a man flu again. But I had some exciting news
Oh, don't know
while I was
while you were having your man flu.
while I was lying in bed, yeah, sweating my bejesus off. Got a notification through saying that I'd got into the London Marathon.
Woohoo!
So that's absolutely fantastic. I did it in 2019 and it was brilliant. Well, I had such a great day.
We were meant to be leaving in October.
Yes. So the original plan was when we got the van, or when we started doing the van in about February time,
Yeah.
spend the cooler months in warmer climates, mainly Spain and Portugal. But
Then my stepdad, he got very poorly and unfortunately passed away. So that took a big chunk of time out, being there for my mum as well. So that's been a really tough time going through that. So we decided then that we'd probably leave in January. So, well, between Christmas and New Year, we were going to leave then, so that we could actually be away for the really cold times, because
and
we
spend
just
New Year on the road, or
we just wanted to be
somewhere
away
warm.
from the drab, dreary, rubbish,
the greyness of it all. Yeah.
Then he got the delightful news of running the marathon on the 23rd of April, is it?
23rd of April next year. So now we're thinking we'll aim for the
Well, we
end of
was
April.
going to go, I think 8th and 9th of May, because it would have been exactly 4 years to the day of when we left back in
Originally.
2019 when we did our trip before.
Yeah.
But then Ash threw in another curveball of, well, it's only a couple of weeks after that the ultra marathon is, so can we just
Yes.
go after that? So that is when?
That's the 16th of May.
So we'll be leaving, hopefully, within a couple of days.
Fingers
of that.
crossed, yeah.
We
So-
are leaving in May.
yeah, yeah.
We
Not
are.
fingers crossed, we will.
We
Even
are.
if the van's not ready, we'll just sling a
We're
couple of mattresses
going.
in the back and off
I
we go.
can't take it anymore.
Yeah.
I need to leave. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's where we're at. We have been cracking on with quite a few things with the
Yeah.
van in between everything else that's been going on. So we have done a few bits and bobs.
We've done some doodling for what we're going to actually
Yeah,
do in the van now regarding the kitchen and the bedroom space.
we're going to make the space work. So now we've gone real old school and just sat down at
Drawn
night
some
and just
plans.
sketched out some cupboards and overhead lockers, where the cooker's going to go, the fridge, the sink, all the sort of things that you need in a camper van,
We decided on colours.
or not,
Or
as the
not.
case may be.
I've got about 10 greens in mind.
Yeah, we seem to have really gone for green, aren't we?
Yeah, we keep going like, oh no, let's do something really wacky. We found some really funky wallpaper, or we found some other amazing colour, and
Just
then we're
something really
like,
crazy.
it is really cool, but we get bored of it really quickly.
Yeah.
Let's just stick with green.
Yeah, so we're still a little bit undecided, aren't we?
On what green?
On what green. And whether to add all the colours into it and what have you. But I mean, that's... The thing is, you think, oh, that's one of the last things, but it really,
Creeps up.
really
Well,
need to
'cause-
start thinking about it now, because
You're wanting to paint the overhead bit.
locker, the
Yeah.
front fascia of the overhead shelf, where there's just an opening in, to keep everything safe in there while we're travelling. So
Paint
I've just
that.
had to do it white as undercoat at the minute. It would have been ideal if we knew the colour and I could have painted it
Put your
before I put it up.
green ideas below.
Yes, green choices.
Green
Yes.
choices that would look nice with what they called like scaffolding board type browns.
Yeah, rustic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Going old school.
So we just thought we'd do a quick catch up, and we're going to be putting some videos on stuff that we've been doing on the van.
Yeah.
So they'll be coming out very, very shortly.
And hopefully they'll get a little bit more regular again now things are getting a little bit more
Calm
back
down
to
a bit.
normal.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah, so yeah.
So yeah. So please stay
Yeah.
tuned and give the video a like if you like this content, and
Subscribe,
yeah,
ring the bell,
you can
and
catch
tell all
us
your
on
friends.
Instagram as well.
Yes.
Beau Luna Daddy and Beau Luna Edvantures. Right. So
yeah.
with that, we're gonna call it a
Yes,
day for this
definitely.
one, and we'll catch up with you again soon.
Take care.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.